In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use RunBuggy application. To do that, you first need to head over to your App Store and search for RunBuggy. You can also get it on Google Play. Just search for the same name and head over and click on install or open from there in order to install it. Once you have done that, you will receive an email indicating that your account has been created once you actually sign up onto the account. Now just sign in with your passwordless technology of RunBuggy. Input right here to your email, open the email, sign in, and open the mobile app. Once you have done that, make sure to enable the location and make sure to allow it all the time. Onto your home screen, you can view your task, search for all orders, navigate your home screen, settings, and notifications. You can see right here your dashboard, all your incomes, orders, and the likes. Once you're in there, you can search for orders near you. So click onto this assigned. You can see the unassigned option as well as the assigned option right here. You can assign it to yourself if you want to take it. Now you can see right here gate passes. You can chat directly with the shipper, order number, bill of landing, pick up and drop off, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.